How can you give her advice for taking it all in?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? What do you mean?
She a freak in the sheets.
Oh, hey, what's up? It's Hobby Mac. It's Kiss and Tell. I'm here with.
Nicole Rae
And
Becca Blair.
okay, tell me a little bit about what you're most excited about the XMAs.
Just having a good time, meeting, seeing people. I'm not nominated for anything at this one, so yeah.
And you?
This is my very first show that I've been to. I'm very new to the industry, so I'm just looking forward to taking it all in.
Okay, so since you've been here for a while, how can you give her advice for taking it all in?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? What do you mean?
I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna say, like, for taking in the industry,
Oh, yeah, taking it.
keep a small head. Don't get a big head. Be chill. Be nice to everyone. You never know when something's gonna come bite you in the or something you said at the very beginning of your career.
Okay, I'll interpret that for you. Okay, keep a small head, but so I might have a big head, so don't keep that. And you never know who might bite you. I might bite you in the ass. So how do you feel about that?
I hope you don't.
You hope I don't?
Metaphorically, no. Physically, yes, it's okay. Yeah.
Yes, we're on to something here. We're on to something here. So I love these outfits. The red and the red. Oh my God! And how did y'all get involved in the industry? How did you get involved since you're new?
My friend Mackenzie May, she kind of reeled me into this, so we're all in the same agency right now. So, yeah.
Sweet. Well, looking forward to seeing more of y'all. Thank you very much. This is Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. Thanks for joining. Javi!